I have a full box of Thomas and Train models, and let's find out what is in here. What's up, my boy? What's up, my boy? Rexy. 3-speed Gordon, Snow Clearing Emily, Silver James. As you might notice, there are several boxes everywhere, and I'm trying to sell everything. Yeah, there are good models. I'm not talking about that, I'm talking about this 3-speed Thomas. Now, the problem here is that battery covers are missing, and when I gave this to my kiddos, they lost this battery cover, so I need to find them. I don't know where they are. Talking Henry missing the button. Another 3-speed Thomas. Some cargo, and I think this one is for Cranky the Crane. What's in here? Okay. Gordon for parts. I think this one is called Ashima or Ashima, whatever. Works unit. Coal flipping cargo. Cool. ERTL Caroline. Nice. Oh, a milk tanker. I totally forgot the name of this character. It's missing the bottom. I need to find it, but let me know in the comments. By the time I find out, I guess I already posted. Okay, so here is Snow Covered Diesel, Edward Stender. I think those are just parts. Here is Flora Tramways. Oh no, this was part of Red Victor remote control. I mean, Talking Victor. Motorized Ace the Racer. I think it was a remote control. I don't know what it is. Another motorized custom model, Thomas and Friends Bulldozer. I forgot the name of this. Let me know in the comments. I hope this thing is working condition. Cool D, whatever. Metal. Some parts. This here was part of a custom model. Let me know in the comments if you remember. I don't remember what was it, but very cool. Mr. Jolly's whatever chocolate. Oh, it's missing a wheel. Dart. I think it works. Here is the complete set. I know I have 2 of these snow plows for Hiro, the original ones, so I need to find them where they are. I don't know where they are, but I hope I can find it soon. And here is Edward Trackmaster 2. Don't remember about this one. Previous custom wheels. Oh, I thought I sold this one a long time ago, but I didn't. I think it's the complete set. Snow Covered Spencer or Snowy Spencer. Well, I think it's complete. Let me know in the comments. Nice caboose. I think it was from Sleepy Soda or something. I don't know. Toby Stop. Oh, I found another lube. Nice, I need it. I found a rotary set for X-Tool. What is that? Okay, fix it. Ooh, batteries. I found all GoPro. Stanley. Few parts here and there. Is this even Trackmaster or Backman? Let me know in the comments. Nice. Another old GoPro. I remember I had 2 sets of these Cranky the Crane. I hope I can find them. More Trackmaster cars. Oh la la! Cranky the Crane, the remote control Cranky the Crane. I think I found, here is another one. Yeah, I need to make decals for this. I think this is for Cranky too. 6-in-1 builder set. I think that's for Percy. There is 1, 2. I think I have 4. I need to find those tracks and put them for sale, but I don't know if I have Percy. I found another one. That means I have 5, and I need to. I found the other part of the nameplate, Cranky the Crane, and I remember a few years ago I started making battery covers for my. They were this kind of color. They were not black, but those were the first test I did before. Now I'm making better battery covers. These are not good. So whatever you see here will be posted on eBay in 2 days. Trying to figure out what is that. Is that Doritos? I think it was Doritos. So here is a custom. This is a copy I made a long time ago. Finding a lot of parts from projects Probably you remember I did a lot because I don't do only one, I do a lot. So sometimes I have some leftovers. Sodor fireworks. Nice band. Look how tiny. Minis. Nice. So I hope I can find I'm finding a lot of good stuff here in the boxes. Another Cranky's nameplate. I need to start making some decals for these nameplates. Yeah, this one is you can find all those on eBay. I already post them. If interested, check the link below. Is this for snow clearing, Emily? I don't remember where this coming from. I have one for sale. Check the prices, compare the price. Okay, now I found this and I have this. I need to find the tender. I have one already. They are very pricey, $100. I have another box here. It's Connor. Boosie is a Big James. What else? Bananas covered Gordon. Here is Hiro. Duke. I forgot to post these models on eBay. Here is another Duke. Anyways, another Tolkien Henry. I need to find the missing parts. Plarail. So let's say check the link below. In 2 days they should be posted on eBay. I found the battery cover for remote control diesel. I never posted that. Did I sold it? I think I sold it. Oh man, I found the battery cover. It's gone now. Salty. I think I'm pretty sure I sold diesel 10 already, but here's the battery cover. Anyways, that other box is for another video. This is a huge box. Look at my hand. Very big. So it's a brand new sealed in box. It's a very heavy box. I know the shipping is expensive, but if interested, check the link in the description. So what I'm doing is I'm posting this on eBay and I'm trying to show you some details. This box has a little scratches here, but it's brand new. I never had the opportunity to open it, but if I don't sell it, then I might open it and do some videos. Also very pricey on Amazon. There is one video that it might went viral. I think it's that video right there. 303 whatever. That it's around 200 views a minute. So thank you very much. So basically we have brand new sealed in box cave collapse set. Very expensive on Amazon. Rexy. Ah, oh, Cookie.